Hey everyone, welcome back to Zimist Coded. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you a simple but super useful trick in Excel, how to make your formula cells read-only or protected so that no one accidentally messes up your calculations. Let's say you have a table for workers with names, base pay, bonus percentages, tax rates, and then you've got your bonus amount, tax amount, and net pay, all nicely calculated with formulas. Everything's working great, but here's the problem. If someone accidentally edits or deletes those formulas, your entire sheet can break. So, how do we protect just the formula cells while still allowing users to enter or change only the base pay, bonus percentage, or tax rate? Here's how we do it, step by step. First, we need to understand something important. By default, every cell in Excel is set to locked, but this only takes effect when the sheet is protected. That means we'll actually start by selecting the cells we want people to be able to edit, like the base pay, bonus percent, and tax percent columns. Just click and drag to highlight them. Then right-click and choose Format Cells. In the window that pops up, go to the Protection tab and uncheck the box that says Locked. Then hit OK. What we've just done is unlock the input cells. These are now editable, even after we protect the sheet. Next, it's time to protect everything else, especially those formula cells. Go to the Review tab on the ribbon and click on Protect Sheet. Now you'll see a bunch of options, but don't worry, just make sure Protect Worksheet and Contents of Locked Cells is checked. You can also enter a password if you want to control who can remove protection. That part's totally optional. When you're ready, click OK. Boom. Just like that, your formula cells are now locked down. If anyone tries to click on them or type over them, Excel will stop them with a warning. But the input cells? Totally editable. This technique is especially helpful when you're sharing workbooks with others, maybe at work, in school, or even online, because it keeps the logic and formulas safe while still letting users interact with the data. And that's it. You've now learned how to make your Excel formulas read-only while keeping the input areas free for editing. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Zimist Coded for more easy-to-follow tech and coding tutorials. I've got plenty more tips coming your way, so stay tuned.